First of all, we are very satisfied, happy to be here in Shillong for the first time with the national team.
We never thought there will be such a nice practice field and a stadium like this, but it is very nice, and we hope for a good match here.
Famous for their love for the sport. So we're really happy that we got the opportunity now as a national team to come here. We are excited, looking forward to the turnaround of the people, and let's win the 2 games together as a nation.
Thank you Meghalaya government for providing such an amazing facility.
Ni kesengi man ko kesengi wasak kan mo. Hey war sedang lehkmen dap san pau snem nama ko Golden Jubilee ke Jowai Government Girls High Secondary School. Hey wow MLA ke Jowai walan ki Shilla namanu kam kongsan. Hey amlang ke jadi director ke School and Higher Education ke APCM kam ke sembut kongsan. Ya ini sedang lehkmen depan man Hamadan Jerusalem. Hey wa de amlang ki principal wa ki wasikai warim ke skor. Ki wa chnong ki kena warim ke skor. Ki wa niam wa kiwi. Ke principal ke skor ke Dr. W. Sumer da kana ko ya ke prom ke skor. Hey wa ya ke Jowai Government School da sedang hau sedem ke kandis pak sopawi. Dewa amlang ki kena cenderang wa kantai. Wa ya ke Government Girl High Secondary School da sedang hau sedem ke kandis pak nyaposo. Wei ki kena wa kong wa jelek metrik. To hau sedem ke kandis pak nyapon ru. Wei kat dang lai ki snem dang bon ki kena wa wan cakani ke skor. Na do ki wa na sor wa ki wa na palat sor. Ke APCM hawa iya klam di kublai ko ya ke skor ne bha wa ne man ko kesing usak kan mo wa lehkmen ye cakri ke skor I wala san pau snem wa de sikai ya ki kena kamtam ki wan na ki manjung wa duna heyo ila da ong ko wa am kamu perkat I de chu baru perkat I wa dep ne bha ke sarkar ye ka wa lek semen khlami krek lang ki wa sikai wa kamju ki bai ki pa dengan scam ko walang ba kini ke lehkmen do yu job chu ka thong yong I pure puthi ha ki porwa wan ne ba ki kena man ki men riet yong ka jalla wa ka ri wa ka wi de ko le ya ki kentin snen kentu ya ki khana wo man ki wo minat khanang wo poi ki ha ka thong wo ang not ki ne liang wailat mi ki shela de ko blai ya ka skor ne ba wa ha news nem de am songot ki khana ka skor ki wa cha jet ha ka NCC wo chimbenta ha ka march pass yong ka Republic Day hanong ba New Delhi cho da ong wa ki bi ki benta kari wa ka perthai da ya khun ye pure puthi ki khana kan thai tang wa hei ni de yo lehkmen dap san pau snem kani ka skor de ko blai ya ki wa sedang ya kani ka skor Wai han lamani wa tangwa de ye upoi hadu ni kesengi. Wi mani bas nyau sarong ne ba wa bon ki pon yo. Wa pan yarap wa yo admission ki khana ha skor sarkar. Da ong wa hai por sedang ya ka sarkar. Mani wa ba ya ka chnat pure puthi. Ne ba wa am khat sanajar tali ki skor ha warok ka jella. Wai ka sarkar kure ko ya warok ki skor. Ai jo I por da ong wa ka dorbar wa dem. Da klamu hai to wa ka hostel ki kan thai wa pen kre kam biang ya ka. Khanang wo mentoi ki khana wo wan na plat sor na kan tu le ya ki khana wo chim kabu ya ka chief minister scholarship scheme hei wa ki khana wo pendep ya ka SSLC raw yo ki ya ka scholarship ka wo praja ti snem da ong le wo da ya klam ko sarkar wo peman ya ka career counseling ha ki skor cho da ong wo da ya klam wo mentoi rang ba hei wa da yo paisa wo chana ya ka working women's hostel ha ka district hai thau ka MTC wo em mar percha ya ka kyang nong ba government college da ong le wo amye wo le I1 semen tangwa kam ye krek lang yong waro nang wo wi upun ku ye ka district cha ka wi tawan ka kerdan ha kani kesngi de yo le iklam na ka Dr. EA Paswen ka waman ka wi na ki papas SSLC wanang kong do ka skor de pen pho ye kani kesngi de ki chat ka masdril kirwai na ki khana wakat ni kamjo na ki khana warim ka skor
I stand here before you all today to recite a beautiful poem about my school. So, here I begin. 50 years, a journey grand, a guiding light, a helping hand. Government girls, high secondary stand. so tall, a home of hope, a dream for all. Since 1975, through joy and pain, it shaped young hearts like sun and rain. With love so deep and wisdom true, it leads the path for me and you. Teachers nurtures heart so wide, lifting spirit side by side. Every girl a star so bright, glowing strong with future's light. Memories whisper through this hall, laughter echoes friendship's gone. Tears and triumph, love and care, a sisterhood beyond compare. Alumni return with hearts so full, grateful for this precious school. 50 years forever near, a legacy we hold so dear. Thank
And if you remember or if you have seen even in the last budget session, I have taken the issue regarding the unoperationalized of the girls' hostel of the government girls' higher secondary school, which is very much needed, especially to our girls coming from the rural areas. It's very hard for them to sustain in the urban areas. So that's why I have taken this issue, and I would like to assure you that in this coming days, I'll make sure that that hostel should be operationalized. At the same time, I will urge the government, if possible, to increase the capacity so it will be more beneficial for our young girls, especially the poor and rural who are coming from the rural areas. Like the principal already mentioned, before coming here, we were in the school inaugurating the building of the commerce stream, which I hope it will be a blessing for the school and especially for the students. And the extension of the school building also, the construction is going on.
You This can be done by the cooperation of both the government, the principal, the teachers, the students, the parents, as well as the community as a whole. Because without the support of the parents and the community, the school would not be as it is. So thank you once again, my dear teachers. I know you have worked so hard throughout the year since last year, and I know that you will be working again throughout this year also, because the closing ceremony, I believe, will be this year only, so you still have lots to do. And I pray to God that He will grant all of you, both the principal, the vice principal, the teaching and the non-teaching staff, wisdom and understanding in order to take Government Girls Higher Secondary School to achieve for more greater heights. That is my prayer for you, and I do hope and I believe that this Golden Jubilee celebration is like an awakening call to all of us to look forward for more endeavors, for more success and for more achievements in all walks of education. My dear teachers, it is our responsibility. It is the responsibility of each and every one of us to cater to the needs of our dear students. We are the ones who will shape, who will mold the character of all our dear children, because our children are the future of our state, the future of our country. It lies in our hands how to bring them up, not only scholastically, but also holistically, in order to make them good citizens of the country.